All right, y'all. I am doing steak sandwiches for lunch. And this is that shaved beef. They sell it at my Save-A-Lot. And it's in a package, already done. And all I done was cooked it in a pan with some onions. And I made this the other day, and I put mustard on it. And it was good, but I'm just going to put mayonnaise on it today. I think it will be better. But I got my hoagie rolls a bit toasty. But I want to give you an update on the kid. So, I went to pay my water bill yesterday. And I asked the girl, I said, did somebody turn a kid in here today? And she was like, and I said, what happened? And she was like, I don't know. The police has them in the back room talking to them right now. So they were there as I was there. So she didn't have a whole lot of detail. But I did find out where the kid came from. And it's like probably half a mile, 3/4 of a mile up from where I live. And they found it like close to where I live. It had walked all that way on the road. Y'all. But I don't know what happened. I don't know if the parents got in trouble. I don't know if they took the kid. I don't know what happened. And I've been looking on Facebook and everywhere. I can't find nothing about it. So if you know me and live in my town, private message me and let me know if you know anything. We've been worried to death about that kid. But come to find out, it had on a diaper and cowboy boots. God love it, it was going somewhere. But y'all, look at this beef. I put Colby Jack and mozzarella cheese on top of it and melted it. OMG. Alright, I hope this spread is not too toasty. So, oh my goodness. But it was for real. It was for real. Oh my Atlanta. This looks delicious. Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Y'all, I am so excited about this. Look how good that looks. And I made this. I made it. Oh, cheers. Amazing. Have y'all ate today? Get you something good. Y'all go eat. I love you.